Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Erika and as you can see, I am babysitting. This is actually my youngest. I am already a mom of 3 and today I will be sharing with you guys my first Watson's haul. So please keep on watching. I'll just put down my baby. So, eto na. I'm going to share with you the 3,500 pesos worth of products that I bought from Watson's yesterday. So, eto. The first one is Collagen. Collagen, this is actually a facial cream, moisturizing and firming. So, it helps you to be less wrinkled. So, as we age kasi we incurred, we have more wrinkles under eyes. Yan. So, dito sa gitna sa ating forehead. So, with the help of this, so we will be less wrinkled na. And I trust it because it is actually Watson's quality assured. It is 45 grams and the expiration date is on 2021. So it is manufactured this year only. That's why I trust it. So let's unbox it. So, ayan. This is the first product. This is 549 pesos. Ayan siya. Ayan. Ayan. So, meron siyang gold dito with arrow. Tatanggalin natin. Ang bango. Ang bango. Naamoy ko na siya, mabango. Yan, ganyan ang itsura niya, guys. Meron siyang kasamang booklet. So, ayan. So, babasahin ko siya. Anyway, I will use this and then I will share with you. I'll make a review about this collagen. So, once again, 549 pesos. The next one is foundation brush. Kailangan ko ng foundation brush kasi usually pagka sponge yung gamit natin, ina-absorb niya lang yung foundation. So, with this one, ayan, for 239 pesos, meron ka ng foundation brush. And this is very flexible and so soft and smooth. Ayan. So, kasi yung mga bibilin ko ngayon, mga skincare, dahil yung mga powder, yung mga pang-contour, panglagay sa eyes, kung ano-ano pa yung blush on, and yung foundation na powder, usually it dries the skin. Maski yung concealer stick, they can dry the skin. So that's why we need facial cream to maintain the glow of our skin. Next, another one, 899 pesos from Watson's. This is actually BYS product. This is Pure Silk Illuminating Drops. Before foundation, so ilalagay natin siya. So do you want to see it? I did not open it yet. Let's open it for you guys. So, bakit ito yung pinili ko? Kasi bibili ako ng bagong foundation. 899 pesos. So, ayan siya. Illuminating. Ayan. Illuminating drops. So, kukuha ka lang. Tapos, ilalagay natin sa face. Yun, ganun siya. Ayan. Ay, amoy. So, ayan siya. Trial lang yan. So, lagyan nga din natin kabila para pantay. So, ayan. So, this is the Pure Silk Illuminating. Parang lalagay siya sa buong face before foundation. So, it's very beautiful. So, I think sige, tatry ko siya. Gagawin ko siya ng review for you guys. 899. The next one is concealer. So, hindi pa rin bukas. Ayan. Concealer. This is 499 from BYS. So, ayan siya. Ito yung binigay sa akin concealer eh. Ayan, nakita niyo ba? Yan, yung binigay sa akin concealer na bagay daw sa skin ko. 499 pesos. The next one is BYS. Actually, dalawang lipstick to kakaiba. 249 each. The first one is black. So, may paggagamitan ako nito kung bakit black yung pinili ko. Ang bango. Yan. Doon ko lang ito try sa gilid. Bakit kasi ito rin ilagay? Yan, black siya. Hindi ka lang makita. Kailangan pa ulit-ulit. Hindi siya matte. Hindi siya matte. And the second one is Vamp L70. So, ito siya. Yan. Ayan, appreciate nyo ba? So, may bago na akong lipstick from BYS. Ang bango-bango. 249 each. And the last two, of course, ito na yung pinaka-favorite ko. Gusto ko ma-try. Actually, gusto kong bumili ng set niya. 2,999 pesos. Lustrous by Nadine Lustre. So, this is actually limited edition collection developed by Nadine Lustre for BYS. So, I like this one. The first one that I bought is MASCARA for 449 pesos. So, ayan, ang ganda-ganda niya. Gold siya. Gold. Ang ganda ng product ni Nadine. Tapos, ayan siya. Flexible yung kanyang pang-apply. So, ayan. Amoy pang mascara. And the last one is another product by Nadine Lustre. This is Velvet Lips. Eto. Tinry namin kahapon. Napakatagal pala ng effect nito kahit basta hindi siya natatanggal. So, dito ko ilalagay muna para makita nyo yung color. Ayun yung color niya. Yan. So, ito try ko siya. I will make a review for this very beautiful Lustrous Nadine Lustre for BYS Velvet Lips. So, ayan. This is also 449 pesos. So, that's all for today. So, I got how many items? I think I got 8 for 3,582 pesos. I enjoy all of this, and I think I will enjoy by using this, and I will make a review if they are really effective in our skin. So, ayan. So, I got 8 items. I'll show you it again. So, ito na lahat yun. Bye!
Ibalik uli natin sa dati yung ating pinamili.